Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. According to the media report published on LiveMint, US aerospace company Lockheed Martin is open to setting up a maintenance, repair and an overhaul MRO facility in India for F-21 fighter jet. This step is taken to further sweeten its bid for the requirement of 114 fighter aircrafts for the Indian Air Force under MMRCA 2.0. So many of our viewers can ask that, is MMRCA 2.0 is still active? The answer is yes. We have seen different offers from MiG, Dassault Aviation, Saab Gripen and Boeing in current year. However, we know that India should focus on its indigenous fighter jet program such as Tejas series, AMCA, TED-BF, etc. But due to aging fleet of Indian Air Force and delayed production of indigenous fighter jet, the door for MMRCA 2.0 is still left open. This is the only reason due to which we have seen Indian Air Force opting out for 36 more Rafale F4 variants. The Indian Air Force has a squadron strength of 30 against the sanctioned strength of 42. Talking about the MMRCA 2.0, the RFI was issued in 2018, according to which the requirement of 114 medium multi-role combat aircraft for Indian Air Force was put forward. And the reply of this RFI in the present time is received from Boeing FA-18 Super Hornet, Boeing F-15EX, Dassault Rafale, Eurofighter Jet Typhoon, Lockheed Martin F-21, Saab Gripen, Sukhoi Su-35 and Mikoyan MiG-35. And in this video, we will only discuss about the Lockheed Martin F-21 fighter jet. Now, Lockheed Martin is a global player in the field of aerospace, defense, security and advanced technology. It is the manufacturer of well-known F-16 series of fighter jet and it also builds and supplies US Air Force with the only two operational 5th generation aircraft in the world, that is F-22 Raptor and F-35 stealth fighter jet. As we all know that the Pakistan Air Force uses a variant of F-16. Hence, the Indian Air Force has decided against the purchase of Lockheed Martin F-16. Now, Lockheed Martin has played it smart and they called this aircraft all new F-21. But in reality, F-21 is the most advanced variant of F-16 built so far. Talking about the F-21 fighter jets, Lockheed Martin unveiled its F-21 concept at Aero India show on 28 February 2019. The F-21 is based on F-16V Block 70 with single panel cockpit, avionics resembling F-35's integrated cockpit display, a triple rail AIM-120 launcher and integrated probe and drogue conformal fuel tank from the former F-16IN. The Lockheed Martin has already tied up with the Tata Group to locally manufacture the aircraft. It has previously promised to shift its production line to India if it secures the MMRCA deal and not sell the F-21 to any other country. However, it is still not clear that whether the engine will be manufactured in India or it will be directly imported from USA. Basically, Lockheed Martin is offering a made-in-India fighter jet with maintenance, repair and overall MRO facility in India. Lockheed Martin F-21 features an AESA active electronically scanned array radar, a more modern avionics subsystem, joint helmet mounted queuing system 2, conformal fuel tank, high volume and high speed data bus, etc. on the technological front. On the weapon front, it features a sniper advanced targeting pod, high resolution synthetic aperture radar and more advanced weapon which includes 3 AMRAAMs each at the center wing hardpoints. This translates into total 10 air-to-air missile which includes 8 AIM-120 AMRAAMs and 2 AIM-9 missiles. Under the fuselage, there are several reserved hardpoints for various mission supporting pods used in targeting, search, tracking and engagement action. F-21 has some specific and exclusive features for Indian Air Force which includes in-flight refueling system. It also comes with a towed decoy system. The F-21 also comes with a wide-angle head-up display and a large flat screen avionics display with the option to move around and choose what the screen displays at what time. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view on this topic. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.